What's up, everybody? I'm glad y'all made it to my unboxing. You know what I mean? We got a few collectibles we about to check out right now. Some cool items, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited to even see what's in the box. Okay. Okay. Avengers Endgame. It's getting interesting. I'm gonna set that right there. What can it be? We already know it's something from the Marvel Universe. Don't want to mess with that box. You might need it. Ooh. A Black Panther mask, man. You see the detail on that thing? Oh yeah. Oh, this just goes to the back. This. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna need some batteries or something. Got my USB cord. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about? You feel me? T'Challa in this motherfucker. You know what I'm talking about? It's another unboxing. We about to put the batteries in this and see if it works or nothing. Somehow it's supposed to cut on. Black Panther mask, activate! I don't know, is it a button or something? I know how to fuck a nigga up. That's another unboxing.